In this video, I will show you how to redeem anime sword master codes. So to get started, the first thing that you will need to do is to go ahead and open Roblox on your device. So on Roblox, go ahead and search for anime sword master. So on the app, you get redirected here. So in here, you'll need to go ahead and click on that store button at the left side of your screen and then click on this Twitter icon at the right side of the shop. So in here, you can go ahead and redeem code from the Twitter accounts mentioned in here. So as you can see in here, you just need to follow this Twitter accounts and you'll be able to find exclusive codes and updates about anime sword master codes. And that is how you can basically redeem anime sword master codes.